Hi Digi, I want to add categories and items to my QR menu code. Can you help me with that?
Yes, it's very simple. Log in into your dashboard with the correct credentials. Go to the Product Management tab. To add categories to your menu, click on the Add Category tab. Fill in the necessary details and click Submit. And that's it, your categories will be created. To add items to your menu, go to the menu item and click on the Add Product tab. Submit the necessary details. Add an item image and other details if you want. Click on Submit. And your items will be added. All the items whose status has been marked as not available in the menu item section will appear on the unavailable item page.
Wow, this is amazing. Thank you Digi.